Have you ever wondered whether a woman is genuinely interested in you? While words can be deceiving, body language and subtle cues often reveal the truth. Studies in psychology suggest that over 55% of communication is nonverbal, meaning that her actions will tell you more than her words ever could. Today, we'll break down the key signs of attraction, backed by science and real-world examples. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more insightful content, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. 1. Prolonged eye contact, the window to her feelings. Eye contact is one of the strongest indicators of attraction. Research published in the Journal of Research and Personality found that prolonged eye contact increases feelings of intimacy and emotional connection. If she maintains eye contact longer than usual or frequently glances your way, she might be drawn to you. Try this. The next time you're talking to her, hold her gaze a little longer. If she reciprocates or smiles, it's a strong sign that she's interested. 2. Open body language. Her stance tells a story. Body language is a crucial aspect of human interaction. According to Dr. Albert Mehrabian's communication model, 55% of a message is conveyed through nonverbal cues. If a woman angles her body toward you, leans in when you speak, or keeps her arms uncrossed, these are signs that she feels comfortable and engaged. Real-world example. In speed dating events, researchers found that women who exhibited open body language were more likely to be chosen for a second date. 3. Laughter and playfulness, a sign of comfort and connection. Humor is a powerful bonding tool. A study from the University of Kansas found that when a woman laughs at a man's jokes, it significantly increases the likelihood of mutual attraction. If she giggles at your jokes, even the bad ones, she's likely enjoying your company. Try this. Make a lighthearted joke and observe her reaction. If she laughs easily and engages playfully, she may be interested in you. 4. Casual touches, the science of physical proximity. Touch is a fundamental aspect of human connection. Psychologists have found that light, accidental touches, like brushing against your arm or playfully tapping your shoulder, can indicate attraction. If she initiates physical contact, even subtly, she may feel drawn to you. Example, studies in social psychology show that brief touches can increase trust and emotional connection. Next time, notice if she finds excuses to be close to you. 5. Personal questions, the desire to know more. When someone is interested, they naturally want to learn more about you. If she asks about your dreams, values, and experiences beyond surface-level small talk, it's a strong sign she sees you as more than just an acquaintance. Expert insight. Relationship coach Matthew Hussey emphasizes that deep conversations create emotional bonds. If she remembers details about your past conversations, it's an indicator that she's genuinely invested in you. 6. Fixing her appearance. A subconscious effort to impress women often adjusts their appearance unconsciously when they are near someone they find attractive. Whether it's fixing her hair, adjusting her clothes, or applying lip balm, these small actions suggest she wants to look her best for you. Psychological reasoning. Evolutionary psychology suggests that such behaviors stem from a deep-rooted instinct to enhance physical appeal to potential mates. 7. Nervousness and fidgeting, signs of excitement and attraction. Even confident individuals can exhibit nervous behaviors when they are attracted to someone. If she fidgets, plays with her jewelry, or stumbles over her words, she may be trying to manage the excitement she feels around you. Scientific support. Studies show that adrenaline levels rise in situations of attraction, leading to nervous behaviors such as blushing or avoiding direct eye contact momentarily. 8. Mirroring your movements, an unconscious connection. Mirroring is a subconscious behavior where one person imitates the gestures, speech, or posture of another. If she subtly copies your actions, it's a strong sign of psychological alignment and attraction. Example. Next time you're in a conversation, casually change your posture and see if she mirrors you. If she does, it's a good indication that she feels connected to you. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs to avoid uncertainty. Attraction isn't always expressed through direct words. It's often hidden in subtle actions. By paying attention to prolonged eye contact, open body language, laughter, casual touches, deep questions, grooming behaviors, nervousness, and mirroring, you can gain clearer insight into her feelings. Understanding these cues not only helps in recognizing attraction, but also in building deeper connections. If you've noticed some of these signs in someone, it might be time to take the next step and see where it leads. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What signs have you noticed in your interactions? Let's discuss. Let's